So we're going to do another example of solving systems by substitution. And when we first look at this problem, we notice that we don't have an equation solved for a variable. So the first thing we need to do is get one of our equations solved for a variable. The easiest way is to look and see first if you have any of your coefficients that are 1. And so when we look, we see that this equation has a y that has a coefficient of 1. So I can take that equation over here and I can solve it for y by subtracting 2x. So I get y equals negative 2x plus 5. And then I can take this equation or this expression for y and plug it in for y into the other equation. You always want to make sure that you plug into the equation you did not solve. Once you've plugged in, then you can distribute. The thing you want to make sure here is that 2 is negative. So you're going to distribute a negative 2. And so when you do that, you get plus 4x minus 10. Then you combine your like terms. So 3x plus 4x makes 7x. And then just solve your two-step equations. So we'll add 10 to both sides. And lastly, divide by 7. So x is equal to 2. Once you've got that x is equal to 2, you can plug in for x. So you get that y is equal to negative 2 times 2 plus 5. So it's negative 4 plus 5. So y equals 1. So your final answer is 2, 1. Now I need for you guys to try this example.